Hey guys, this is a quick look unboxing review at the Amzsun Smart IP camera with battery. So if you see here, we got 1080p. It has memory card storage available on board. You can get up to 128 gig. It has night vision and a good Wi-Fi app, and has advanced PIR motion detecting up to 32 feet. It's weatherproof and wire free. So let's hook it up and see how it goes. That is a magical slice. I love the interesting name. You wonder where you buy this? Amzsun. Paper cut! So after spending 5 minutes with my paper cut and coming to the realization I don't have to be a wimp, let's continue. User guide. Beautiful looking camera. Got blood on the box. Or that blood maybe came in the box, just kidding. You have a micro USB, and what did they give you in here? All sorts of goodies. They give you a mount and the screws for the mount. The one thing to note here is you have a big, beautiful lens. Very nice. You have your PIR motion detector. I'm not sure if that's speaker, microphone. Then you have this back plate, which will put your micro SD card in there, power on and off, and your micro USB. This is the hermetically sealed, so the water can't get in. You have your typical shoehorn mount, just in case you want to mount it on, what I'm saying is yes, it mounts on this, but this particular diameter and threading is pretty standard. Yeah, so pretty nice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hook it up to the app and we'll see how it is. So after I finished crying, my beautiful, amazing daughter brought me a Band-Aid for my wimpy paper cut. Yeah, so I just hooked it up to their app, and so far the app has a pretty good user interface, and the darkness or the night light on the camera works pretty well. If you're looking to save a bunch of bucks on a camera system and not go with like a Arlo or a Nest camera type situation, pretty nice, stylish, and sleek. You get a pretty solid unit that has the onboard storage. Now, if you are looking for a device like this, just know that you might have to take out the memory cards from each one of them and coagulate all of the recordings. Although you can see it in the app, it's still something to keep in mind. The wire-free, frustration-free packaging and design is so you can charge these guys and put them up, and periodically, once every 2 weeks, bring them down and give them a charge. But yeah, so far so good. Definitely worth checking out if you're on a budget, and I hope you all have a great day.